Nancy,
Yummy.
what's going on? What's happening?
Here and we get to party.
You and Carrie are gonna party? Right. Our sister Carrie is in town and she's going to watch Nancy so that, gosh, my hair looks stupid, so that we can have a little mini vacation. So this is gonna be a lot of fun. Of life, she is there. Thank you, Carrie.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine.
Hey, we're doing a little detour of Kansas City.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop work is life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people. This is the city I met all my best friends.
Oh, neato. I really did not know that was there. Yeah, I got it 3 times. We just saw was the chicken and pickle. It's an indoor and outdoor
Pickleball.
there we go, thank you. It's an indoor and outdoor pickleball court. How fun is that? That is so
And
cool.
bar and grill.
And a bar and grill. So that is so neat. Maybe one day we'll get to come up here and play,
And
because
use my pickleball. You can't talk.
and use Karen's pickleball thing I got her for her birthday. That would be so much fun. I didn't know this was here even.
I love this city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine. How I love this city of mine. It never gets me down.
The Missouri River is, you can see right under the train. That's the Missouri River.
Turn right onto Missouri 9, then turn left onto West 5th Street.
How do you shut and lock a keypad entry door? We're here! I don't know what to do. It's not locked. I didn't do it. So, go. This place is absolutely gorgeous. I just love it. Just love it. I'm having so much fun. Oof, I heard a dog.
How nice is this?
It really is.
How nice is this? This is cool. So I get to bed, Kelly gets to bed. Decorations are adorable.
Adorable.
Adorable. There's a deck out here.
How fun.
Have coffee at 9 in the morning. This is adorable. What a wonderful idea. I bet they live on the ground floor. What do you think?
Oh, probably.
They have their own parking, their own deck. What a great idea to do with a little house like this. Ha ha ha, look at that old radio.
Oh, that's awesome. Rejoice and always pray continually, give thanks in all circumstances, for this is God's will for you in Jesus Christ. 1 Thessalonians 5:16.
fine. This just keeps
It
going.
just keeps going. Ooh, yeah, I ain't leaving that. Well, I just found my spot right here. I'm not gonna be leaving this giant tub.
They even have a thing to put your book in.
Well, that's exciting.
I see we're going to Barnes and Noble.
Look at this shower.
So cool. Okay, I see on this versus the actual bathtub. Where's the toilet?
Toilet? Open that door.
Yep. There's the water closet. Literally.
Well, we made it. We're here. It is so pretty.
It's adorable.
Love it. I'm so excited.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the mundane. And as the light
What did you, Cal?
Oh, I got myself some books so I can read it in that hot tub tonight. I'm so excited. I got so many I have so many good books to read.
shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, easy we go. Easy, tiptoes, undercover, agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb.
Okay, so we're just about to eat our delicious food we got at Stone Canyon and Company. I'm so excited. They had a gluten-free pizza. Super, super cool.
And I decided I wanted a hamburger tonight.
What's yours look like? Mmm. So I took a long bath last night and read a book, and then I stayed up half the night finishing that book. It has been so much fun. What a relaxing, awesome weekend. And now I think we're gonna go do some exploring. It should be fun. And I'm gonna take you along with me, of course.
As if by magic.
Let's head in here.
Okay. Remember my colors, let's look for stuff for my room.
Ooh, that might be good. This is a key lime spread.
Cool.
No, it might be really yummy.
It might be.
It's like a lemon curd with lime.
I get the concept.
I get it. I understand.
Look at all these cardinals. Where's Mama?
Bean. I love bean.
Come here, Kel. Look at these.
Oh, where's Mama?
Huh?
Mom would have loved this.
Oh,
It's so
she?
pretty.
Okay, here's some. I think we're-
Well, we're saying goodbye.
Or just get some tomatoes. I don't know what to get. Oh, how neat. We're stayed up in the Airbnb over the last couple days. We didn't actually talk about what clothes you were bringing.
Oh.
And so then I got dressed and she's like, oh no. I'm like, now we look a little odd.
We even purses to stay
Right.
right there.
Right, shoes. We even have the same shoes on.
I think shoes are like $20.
Good morning. Good morning.
This is only 25.
We'll get it. Oh,
That'd be the one to get.
all right, get that.
This one's 15 minutes, 25.
Whichever one you want.
Different. That's Husky Red. Those are the tomatoes that are going to come off.
Yeah, that's nice. Really, I like these kind. These are better. All right. All right, I got some honey sticks and some gluten-free cupcakes. And let me show you what's in the back seat.
It's a ginormous tomato
We
plant.
have Tommy the tomato plant back there. He's super tall. He's not quite seat belted in, but we think he'll be okay.
And got lots of instructions on how to care for Tommy.
We did get lots of instructions. Like I've never gardened before, but that's okay. We got Tommy's tomato plant back there. Airport, a railroad, rail yard, and a barge. Missouri River. Kansas City. Man, so we've had a lot of fun.
Oh, it's been a great weekend.
We've done so much.
Weekend?
We've had a couple
We've had-
days. We've had a lot of fun.
Just a blast. It's been
So
nice
much
to
fun.
get away from Nancy for a little bit. She repeats herself a lot, so it's a little taxing.
Just a little bit of a break. We had a little bit of a
So-
break. And so thanks, Carrie. We do
Thank you,
appreciate
Carrie.
it. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye guys. That's the end of this video and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.